ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। नारायणं पद्मभुवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गौडपदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमथास्य शिष्यम् श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमथास्य पद्मपादं च हस्तामलकं च शिष्यम् तं तोटकं वार्तिककारमन्यानस्मद्गुरून् सन्ततमानतोऽस्मि। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। अपारकरुणा सिन्धुं ज्ञानदं शान्तरूपिणम् श्रीचन्द्रशेखरगुरुं प्रणमामि मुदान्वहम्। यत्कृपालेशमात्रेण पुमान् पूर्णः प्रजायते तं वन्दे ब्रह्मविद्धुर्यं सद्गुरुं चन्द्रशेखरम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। सूत्रार्थो वर्ण्यते यत्र वाक्यैः सूत्रानुकारिभिः।
सूत्रार्थो वर्ण्यते यत्र वाक्यैः सूत्रानुकारिभिः।
स्वपदानि च वर्ण्यन्ते भाष्यं भाष्यविदो विदुः।
स्वपदानि च वर्ण्यन्ते भाष्यं भाष्यविदो विदुः।
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्।
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्यात्
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत्
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत्
अनिराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणं मे अस्तु
अनिराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणं मे अस्तु
तदात्मनि निरतेयवुपनिषत्सु धर्मास्ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु
तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्मास्ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु
ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
केनेषितं पतति प्रेषितं मनः
येनेषितं पतति प्रेषितं मनः
केन प्राणः प्रथमः प्रैतियुक्तः
येन प्राणः प्रथमः प्रैतियुक्तः
केनेषितां वाचमिमां वदन्ति
केनेषितां वाचमिमां वदन्ति
चक्षुश्रोत्रं कवुदेवो युनक्ति
चक्षुश्रोत्रं कौदेवो युनक्ति
एवं पृष्ठवते योग्याय आह गुरुः
एवं पृष्ठवते योग्याय आह गुरुः
शृणु यत् त्वं पृच्छसि
शृणु यत् त्वं पृच्छसि
मन आदिकरणजातस्य को देवः
मनादिकरणजातस्य को देवः
स्वविषयं प्रति प्रेरयिता कथं वा प्रेरयति इति
स्वविषयं प्रति प्रेरयिता कथं वा प्रेरयति इति
श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं मनसो मनो यत्
श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं मनसो मनो यत्
वाचोह वाचं सब प्राणस्य प्राणः
वाचोह वाचं सौ प्राणस्य प्राणः
चक्षुषश्चक्षुरतिमुच्य धीराः
चक्षुषश्चक्षुरतिमुच्य धीराः
एत्यास्मालोकादमृता भवन्ति
प्रेत्यास्माल्लोकादमृता भवन्ति
श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रम्
श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं
शृणोति अनेन इति श्रोत्रम्
शृणोति अनेन इति श्रोत्रम्
शब्दस्य श्रवणं प्रति करणम्
शब्दस्य श्रवणं प्रति करणम्
शब्द अभिव्यञ्जकं श्रोत्रम् इन्द्रियम्
शब्दाभिव्यञ्जकं श्रोत्रम् इन्द्रियम्
तस्य श्रोत्रं यः तस्य श्रोत्रं सः यः त्वया पृष्टः
तस्य श्रोत्रं सः यः त्वया पृष्टः
चक्षुश्रोत्रं कौ देवो युनक्ति इति
चक्षुश्रोत्रं कौ देवो युनक्ति इति
असो एवं विशिष्टः श्रोत्रादीनि नियुङ्क्ते इति वक्तव्ये
असौ एवं विशिष्टः श्रोत्रादीनि नियुङ्क्ते इति वक्तव्ये
ननु एतदननुरूपं प्रतिवचनं श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रम् इति
ननु एतदननुरूपं प्रतिवचनं श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रम् इति
नैष दोषः तस्य अन्यथा विशेष अनवगमात्
तस्य अन्यथा विशेष अनवगमात्
यदि हि श्रोत्रादिव्यापार व्यतिरिक्तेन
श्रोत्रादिव्यापार व्यतिरिक्तेन
स्वव्यापारेण विशिष्टः श्रोत्रादिनियोक्ता अवगम्येत तात्रादिप्रयोक्तृवत्
स्वव्यापारेण विशिष्टः श्रोत्रादिनियुक्ता अवगम्येत दात्रादिप्रयोक्तृवत्
तदा इदम् अननुरूपं प्रतिवचनं स्यात्
तदा इदम् अननुरूपं प्रतिवचनं स्यात्
न तु इह श्रोत्रादीनां प्रयोक्ता स्वव्यापारविशिष्टो लवित्रादिवत् अधिगम्यते
न तु इह
श्रोत्रादीनां प्रयोक्ता स्वव्यापारविशिष्टो लवित्रादिवत् अधिगम्यते
श्रोत्रादीनामेव तु संहतानां व्यापारेण
श्रोत्रादीनाम् एव तु संहतानां व्यापारेण
आलोचनसङ्कल्प अध्यवसाय लक्षणेन फल अवसानलिङ्गेन अवगम्यते
आलोचन
संकल्प अध्यवसाय लक्षणेन फलावसानिलिङ्गेन अवगम्यते
अस्ति हि श्रोत्रादिभिः असंहतः यत्प्रयोजनप्रयुक्तः श्रोत्रादिकलापः गृहादिवत् इति
अस्ति हि
श्रोत्रादिभिः असंहतः यत्प्रयोजनप्रयुक्तः श्रोत्रादिकलापो गृहादिवत् इति
संहतानां पदार्थत्वात् अवगम्यते श्रोत्रादीनां प्रयोक्ता
संहतानां पदार्थत्वात् अवगम्यते श्रोत्रादीनां प्रयोक्ता
तस्मात् अनुरूपम् एव इदं प्रतिवचनं श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रम् इत्यादि
अनुरूपम् एवेदं प्रतिवचनं श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रम् इत्यादि
कः पुनः अत्र पदार्थः श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रम् इत्यादेः
पुनरत्र पदार्थः श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रम् इत्यादेः
न हि अत्र श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रान्तरेणार्थः यथा प्रकाशस्य प्रकाशान्तरेण
न हि
अत्र श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रान्तरेणार्थः यथा प्रकाशस्य प्रकाशान्तरेण
नैष दोषः अयमत्र पदार्थः
पदार्थः
श्रोत्रं तावत् स्वविषयव्यञ्जनसमर्थं दृष्टम्
श्रोत्रं तावत् स्वविषयव्यञ्जनसमर्थं दृष्टम्
तत्तु स्वविषयव्यञ्जनसामर्थ्यं श्रोत्रस्य
तत्तु स्वविषयव्यञ्जनसामर्थ्यं श्रोत्रस्य
चैतन्ये हि आत्मज्योतिषी नित्ये असंहते सर्वान्तरे सति भवति
चैतन्ये हि आत्मज्योतिषि नित्ये असंहते सर्वान्तरे सति भवति
न असति इति
असति इति
अतः श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रम् इत्यादि उपपद्यते
अतः श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रम् इत्यादि उपपद्यते
तथा च श्रुत्यन्तराणि
तथा
च श्रुत्यन्तराणि
आत्मना एव अयं ज्योतिषा आस्ते
आत्मना एव अयं ज्योतिषा
अस्ते
आस्ते तस्य भाषा सर्वमिदं विभाति
तस्य भाषा
सर्वमिदं विभाति
येन सूर्यस्तपति तेजसा इद्धः इत्यादीनि
येन
सूर्यस्तपति तेजस इद्धः इत्यादीनि
यदादित्यगतं तेजो जगद्भासयते किलम्
यदादित्यगतं तेजो जगद्भासयते किलम्
क्षेत्रं क्षेत्री तथा क्लस्तं प्रकाशयति भारत इति च गीतासु
क्षेत्रं क्षेत्री
क्षेत्री तथा कृत्स्नं प्रकाशयति
भारत
भारत
इति
इति च गीतासु
काटके च नित्यो नित्यानां चेतनश्चेतनानाम् इति
काटके
पाठके च नित्यो नित्यानां चेतनश्चेतनानाम् इति
श्रोत्राद्येव सर्वस्यात्मभूतं चेतनमिति प्रसिद्धं तत् इह निवर्त्यते
श्रोत्याद्येव
श्रोत्रद्येव
सर्वस्यात्मभूतं
सर्वस्यात्मभूतं
चेतनमेति
चेतनं
प्रसिद्धं तनिक
प्रसिद्धम्
निवर्त्यते
अस्ति किमपि विद्वद्बुद्धिगम्यं सर्वान्तरतमं कूटस्थम् अजम् अजरम् अमृतम् अभयं श्रोत्रादेहे अपि श्रोत्राधि
अस्ति
अस्ति किमपि विद्वद्बुद्धिगम्यं सर्वान्तरतमं कूटस्थम् अजमजरममृतमभयं श्रोत्रादेः अपि श्रोत्रादि
तत्सामर्थ्यनिमित्तम् इति प्रतिवचनं शब्दार्थश्च उपपद्यते एव
तत्सामर्थ्यं
इति प्रतिवचनं शब्दार्थश्च उपपद्यते एव
एव
तथा मनसः अन्तःकरणस्य मनः
तथा मनसः
मनसः अन्तःकरणस्य मनः
न हि अन्तःकरणम् अन्तरेण चैतन्यज्योतिषा दीपितम्
न हि अन्तःकरणमन्तरेण
अन्तःकरणमन्तरेण चैतन्यज्योतिषः दीधितं
चैतन्यज्योतिषा दीपितम्
चैतन्यज्योतिषा दीपितम्
स्वविषयसङ्कल्पाद्यवसादि सामर्थ्यं स्यात्
स्वविषयसङ्कल्पाध्यवसायादि समर्थं स्यात्
तस्मात् मनसोऽपि मनः इति
इति
इह बुद्धिमनसि एकीकृत्य निर्देशो मनसः इति
इह बुद्धिमनसि
एकीकृत्य निर्देशो मनसः इति
यद्वाचोहवाचम्
यद्वाचोहवाचम्
यच्छब्दः यस्मादर्थे श्रोत्रादिभिः सर्वैः सम्बध्यते
यच्छब्दः
यस्मादर्थे श्रोत्रादिभिः सर्वैः सम्बध्यते
यस्मात् श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं यस्मात् मनसो मनः इत्येवम्
यस्मात्
श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं यस्मात् मनसो मन इत्येवम्
वाचोहवाचम् इति द्वितीया प्रथमात्वेन विपरिणम्यते
वाचोहवाचम् इति द्वितीया प्रथमात्वेन विपरिणम्यते
प्राणस्य प्राणः इति दर्शनात्
प्राणस्य प्राणः इति दर्शनात्
वाचोहवाचम् इति एतत् अनुरोधेन
वाचोहवाचम् इति अनुरोधेन
प्राणस्य प्राणमिति कस्मात् द्वितीया एव न क्रियते
प्राणस्य प्राणम् इति कस्मात् द्वितीया इव न क्रियते
न बहूनाम् अनुरोधस्य युक्तत्वात्
बहूनाम् अनुरोधस्य युक्तत्वात्
वाचम् इत्यस्य वाक् इति एतावत् वक्तव्यम्
वाचम् इत्यस्य वाग् इत्येतावत् वक्तव्यम्
सौ प्राणस्य प्राणः इति शब्दद्वय अनुरोधेन
सः प्राणस्य प्राणः इति शब्दद्वय अनुरोधेन
एवं हि बहूनाम् अनुरोधः युक्तः कृतः स्यात्
एवं हि बहूनाम् अनुरोधः युक्तः कृतः स्यात्
पृष्टं च वस्तु प्रथमया एव निर्देष्टुं युक्तम्
पृष्टं च वस्तु प्रथमया एव निर्देष्टुं युक्तम्
सः यः त्वया पृष्टः प्राणस्य
यः
सः यः त्वया पृष्टः प्राणस्य
प्राणक्यवृत्तिविशेषस्य
प्राणाख्यवृत्तिविशेषस्य
प्राणः
प्राणः
प्राणाख्यवृत्तिविशेषस्य प्राणः
प्राणः तत्कृतं हि प्राणस्य प्राणसामर्थ्यम्
तत्कृतं हि
तत्कृतं हि
प्राणस्य
प्राणस्य प्राणनसामर्थ्यम्
न हि आत्मनः
न हि
न हि आत्मना
अनधिष्ठितस्य प्राणम् उपपद्यते
अनधिष्ठितस्य प्राणन उपपद्यते
उपपद्यते
को हेवान्यात् कः प्राण्यात्
को
को
हे प्राण्यात्
प्राणयात्
यदेशाकाशानन्दो न स्यात्
यदेष
यदेशाकाशानन्दो
आकाशानन्दः
स्यात्
स्यात्
ऊर्ध्वं प्राणम् उन्नयति
ऊर्ध्वं
ऊर्ध्वं प्राणं
प्राणयति
यति
अपानं प्रत्यगस्यति इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः
अपानं प्रत्यगस्यति इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः
इहापि च वक्ष्यते
इहापि च
इहापि च वक्ष्यते
येन प्राणः प्रणीयते
येन
येन
प्राणः
प्राणः प्रणीयते
तदेव ब्रह्मत्वं विद्धि इति
तदेव
तदेव ब्रह्मत्वं विद्धि इति
श्रोत्रादीन्द्रियप्रस्तावे
श्रोत्रादीन्द्रियप्रस्तावे
घ्राणस्य एव ग्रहणं युक्तं न तु प्राणस्य
घ्राणस्य एव ग्रहणं युक्तं न तु प्राणस्य
सत्यम् एवम्
सत्यम् एवं
प्राणग्रहणेन एव तु
प्राणग्रहणेन एव तु
घ्राणस्य ग्रहणं कृतम् एव मन्यते श्रुतिः
प्राणस्य
प्राणस्य
ग्रहणं
ग्रहणं
एव
कृतमेव मन्यते श्रुतिः
सर्वस्य एव करणकलापस्य
सर्वस्य करणकलापस्य
यदर्थप्रयुक्ता प्रवृत्तिः
यदर्थप्रयुक्ता प्रवृत्तिः
तद्ब्रह्म इति प्रकरणार्थः विवक्षितः
तद्ब्रह्म इति
ब्रह्म इति प्रकरणार्थः विवक्षितः
तथा चक्षुषश्चक्षुः
तथा
तथा
चक्षुषश्चक्षुः
चक्षुषश्चक्षुः
रूपप्रकाशकस्य
रूपप्रकाशकस्य
चक्षुषो यत् रूपग्रहणं सामर्थ्यम्
चक्षुषो यद्रूपग्रहणं सामर्थ्यम्
तदात्मचैतन्याधिष्ठितस्य एव
तदात्मचैतन्याधिष्ठितस्य एव
अतः चक्षुषश्चक्षुः
अतः चक्षुषश्चक्षुः
long bhashyam. After this we have seen शिष्येन पृष्टः केन प्राणप्रथमः प्रयुक्तः केन शीतं पतति प्रेषितं मनः इति तस्य प्रतिवचनं श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रमिति आचार्यः उक्तः तत्र श्रोत्रस्य इन्द्रियस्य श्रोत्रस्य यानि पदानि षष्टि विभक्तौ सन्ति ते करणानि यानि पदानि प्रथमविभक्तौ सन्ति तत्तु वस्तु निर्देशः क्रियते यथा श्रोत्रं श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं श्रोत्रं मनसः मनः मनः वाचोः वाक् इति भाष्यकारेण उक्तं वाचोः वाक् इति प्रथमात्वेन विभक्तिपरिणामः क्रियते वाचोः वाक् प्राणस्य प्राणः प्राणः चक्षुषः इति तत् वस्तु तेन एव श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं प्राणस्य प्राणः चक्षुषश्चक्षुः चक्षुः इति we have seen in detail so we don't have to repeat otherwise won't be able to complete this. The last few, maybe you can just see. Interesting Bhashyam here. Vachoha Vacham, Purvapakshi raised the objection. Vachoha Vacham we can take. Vacham we can take Dvitiya, why not? We can convert Pranasya Pranam. Because Shrotra se Shrotram, Shrotram, Shrotra being an Apumsakalinga, Pratama Ekavacham, Dvitiya Ekavacham is same. Therefore Rupa is Samanatvat. So we can, if we take it as Dvitiya. Similarly, Manasaha, Manaha. Manaha also Napumsakalinga. Dvitiya, Pratama, Ekavacham, same. So Manasah, Mana. Vachoha Vacham, let it be Dvitiya. Then we can convert Pranasya Pranaha. Dvitiya. Kimattam na kriyate iti akshepaha tasya ashyakanuttam. Na. Bhaguna manurodasya. Shrotrasya Shrotram. Vastu nirdesha Pratama Vibhaktya kriyate. Ataha Shrotram Manaha iti Pratama Vibhakti eva. अतः प्राणस्य प्राणः अपि प्राणः प्रथमा विभक्तो एव अस्ति अतः बहुनाम् अनुरोधस्य युक्तत्वात् वाचः वाक् इति एव अवगन्तव्यम् वक्तव्यम् अवगन्तव्यम् इति किमर्थं बहुनाम् अनुरोधः in conforming with many should be taken like that किमर्थं शिष्येन प्रश्नः कः प्रश्नः वस्तु किं वस्तु किम् आत्मा कः आत्मा किं ब्रह्म तदेव प्रश्नः शिष्यस्य यद्यपि प्रश्नः केनेषितं केन प्राणः इति पृष्टः तथापि शिष्येन वस्तु एव पृष्टम् अतः पृष्टं वस्तु कस्मिन् विभक्तौ भवति प्रथमया एव भवितुं शक्यते अतः प्रथमया एव निर्देष्टुं युक्तम् अतः वाचोः वाक् इति एव अवगन्तव्यम् अवक्तव्यम् इति अत्र श्रोत्रादीनि प्रस्तावे प्राणस्य प्राणः किमर्थं ग्रहणस्य ग्रहणं न युक्तं ग्रहणस्य ग्रहणं किमर्थं न प्रयुक्तम् अत्र प्राणस्य ग्रहणमिति एव वक्तव्यं किमर्थं प्राणस्य प्राणः प्राणग्रहणेन घ्राणस्यापि ग्रहणं भवति घ्राणम् इति युक्ते प्राण अपान तदपि प्राणस्यापि अपानस्यापि प्राणापान कार्यस्यापि गृह्यते घ्राणमिति युक्ते तस्य घ्राण कर्मणि प्राणस्य तथा अपानस्य एव द्वितीय केवलं प्राणद्वयस्य एव प्राणः अपानः एव गृह्यते किन्तु प्राणः इति युक्ते प्राणापान व्यान उदान समान इति सर्वस्यापि ग्रहणं भवति अतः प्राणग्रहणेन घ्राणस्य ग्रहणमपि भवति सर्वस्य कर्णकलापस्य यदर्थः प्रयुक्तः भवति तद् ब्रह्म इति प्रकरणार्थः विवक्षितः प्रकरणार्थदृष्ट्या अतः प्राणस्य प्राणः इति युक्तः एव समर्थः एव अत्र इति यदा प्राणस्य प्राणः तद्वत् चक्षुषः अपि चक्षुः इन्द्रियाणि चक्षुरिन्द्रियस्य किं सामर्थ्यमस्ति रूपग्रहणसामर्थ्यं रूपप्रकाशकस्य चक्षुषः यत् रूपग्रहणसामर्थ्यं तत् सामर्थ्यं तु चैतन्य अधिष्ठितस्य एव भवति चैतन्ये सति एव चक्षुषः ग्रहणसामर्थ्यं भवति नो चेत् न अतः चक्षुः एतावदेव अन्य कर्णस्यापि श्रोत्रादि श्रोत्रादि इन्द्रियस्य श्रोत्रस्य इन्द्रियस्य शब्दग्रहण सामर्थ्यम् आत्मचैतन्य अधिष्ठितस्य एव भवति। तद्वदेव मनसः अपि प्राणस्यापि सर्वस्यापि। अतः चक्षुषः इति चक्षुषः इति षष्ठी विभक्तौ चक्षुरिन्द्रियस्य निर्दिष्टः क्रियते। चक्षुः इति वस्तुनिर्देशः क्रियते। यथा श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं, मनसो मनः, प्राणस्य प्राणः, अत्र चक्षुषः चक्षुः इति मन्त्रस्य प्रथमवाक्यं तथा द्वितीयवाक्ये चक्षुषः चक्षुः इति एतावत् पर्यन्तं दृष्टः। अनन्तरम् अतिमुच्य धीराः प्रेत्येस्माल्लोकाद् अवृता भवन्ति इति शेषवाक्यस्य भाष्यं तत्र दत्तं पश्यामः। वस्तु किम् इति? श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं वस्तु, मनसः मनः वस्तु, प्राणस्य प्राणः वस्तु, चक्षुषः चक्षुः वस्तु। अतिमुच्य धीराः प्रेत्येस्माल्लोकाद् अमृता भवन्ति इति वाक्यस्य कः अर्थः? भाष्यकारेण अत्र उक्तं। Let us read here. प्रष्टुः पृष्ठस्य अर्थस्य ज्ञातुम् इष्टत्वात् श्रोत्रादेः श्रोत्रादिलक्षणम् यथोक्तम् ब्रह्म ज्ञात्वा इति अध्याह्रियते। अध्याहारः अध्याह्रियते। प्रष्टुः यः प्रश्नं करोति सः प्रष्टुः, शिष्यः। अत्र प्रष्टुः पृष्ठस्य प्रश्नस्य प्रष्टुः पृष्ठस्य अर्थस्य ज्ञातुम् इष्टत्वात् there is a desire to know the meaning of the question of the prashta, the questioner. Prashtuhu षष्ठी विभक्ति. Desire to know the इच्छा अस्ति ज्ञातुम् इष्टत्वा. इच्छा is ज्ञातुम् इच्छा desire to know, जिज्ञासा ज्ञातुम् इष्टत्वा. What अर्थस्य, कस्य अर्थस्य, पृष्ठस्य अर्थस्य, कः पृष्ठः? शिष्यः कः पृष्ठात्? शिष्यः पृष्ठात् तस्य पृष्टुः, क्वेश्चनर of the questioner, षष्ठी विभक्ति. So there is a desire to know the meaning of the question of the questioner. That is the questioner as the desire. Of course, the questioner also desires. We also want to know. The questioner, prashtuhu, for the questioner, there is a desire. For the questioner, there is a desire to know the meaning of the the meaning of the question. Prashtuhu prashtasya. The questioner has a desire to know. So therefore, shotradi lakshanam. Shotradi lakshanam. Yatoktam brahma jnatva having known what? Shotradi lakshanam. Jnatva. Yatoktam brahma jnatva. The Brahma which was told. How it is told? Shrotradehe Shrotradi Lakshanam. Iti yata uktam. Uktam yata uktam avibhava samasa. Uktam anatikramya. Not transgressing what has been told. Shrotradehe Shrotradi Lakshanam is Shrotrasya Shrotram. Manaso Manaha. Pranasya Pranaha. That is Shrotradi Lakshanam. Shrotradehe. Shrotradehe Adi Padat. Shrotra Manaha Prana Ityadi. Shrotradi Lakshanam. That is Brahma, which was told. Uktam. How it is told? In the form of Laksham, in the form of that which is ear of the ear, eye of the eye, prana of the prana, iti uktam, iti Brahma uktam, because the answer, that which is in Pratama Vibhakti indicates Vastu Brahma. Therefore, etoktam Brahma. Tad Brahma, Jnatva iti adhigriyate. Having known that Brahma. So where is Jnatva in the mantra? There is no Jnatva, the word is not there. Therefore, Bhashyakara says, Jnatva iti adhyagriyate. Adhyagriyate. Adhyaharaha kartavyaha. Adhyaharaha technical word. Adhyahara means the word which is not there, it should be supplied. Adhyaharaha kartavyaha. So therefore, in the mantra, Shrotrasya Shrotra Manaso Mano Yatavacho Havacham Sau Pranasya Pranaha Chakshus Chakshuhu. Then Jnatva, having known that. What? Having known Brahma. Where is Brahma? In the mantra, that which is in Pratama Vibhakti indicates Vastu. Vastu Nirdesha Kriyate. Therefore, that is Brahma. And Brahma was presented in the form of Shrotrasya Shrotra Vityadi. That is Shrotradi Lakshanam. Etu Uktam Brahma. Tad Brahma Jnatva iti to be supplied. Having known, that to be supplied. Otherwise, we cannot connect the next part of the mantra. Atimuchya dhiraha means what? Jnatva eva dhiraha ati muchya, atimunchati. Having known only. So dhiraha, atimuchya dhiraha, asmalokat pretya amrutaha bhavanti. So therefore we have to supply Jnatva. In the mantra it is not there, therefore we have to supply. Having known that only, they become what? It is said in the next line. Amrutaha bhavanti iti.
Amritaha bhavanti iti.
iti
Palashrutescha.
Palashrutescha.
There's a Palashruti. The Shishya has only what is a Vastu. But the teacher also said the result of knowing the Vastu. What is the result? Amrutaha bhavanti. Katam amrutaha bhavanti. That should be told. Knowing they become free. The definition is given. Having known that Brahma, therefore Jnatva, the word is important. Therefore, amrutaha bhavanti dhiraha vivekinaha, having known that Brahma, which was presented in the form of Shotradi, Lakshanam, Shotrasa Shotram, Ityadi, Lakshanaya Yat Brahma Vuktam, Tat Jnatva, Amritaha Bhavati iti Palashrutihi, the result. Palashruteschcha. Palashruti. Pala is result. The Shruti mentions the result. Palashruti. In Shloka, we have Palashruti. Ayatagradam, if you see. The last few verses will be Palashruti. The result of chanting that shloka, Palashruti. Similarly, in the mantra also, we have Palashruti at the end. Having known that Brahma, they become free. Amritaha bhavanti iti Palashruteschcha. Shrutehe iti hetu. Panchami. Therefore, Jnatva, the word to be supplied. They become Amritaha, they become free from death. Amarana dharmaha bhavanti. Therefore, katam amarana dharmatvam prapnoti. Jnatva eva. Kimartam? Jnanadeva kaivalyam. Jnanadeva amritatvam prapyate. Katam prapyate. Jnanadeva kaivalyam. Therefore, knowing they become free. Is there any other way of becoming free from this Marana Dharma. Manushas are called Mrityaha. They are subject to death. How can one become immortal? Only by knowing the Vastu. Jnana Deva. Therefore, the deathlessness or birthlessness is achieved only by knowing. Therefore, Jnanam Jnatva iti Adhyaharaha Kartavyah. Adhyagriyate. Bhashikara supplies Jnatva iti. Kimartam Jnanadyeva Amrtatvam Prapyate.
ज्ञानाद्येव
अमृतत्वं
अमृतं
प्राप्यते
प्राप्यते
Jnanadyeva Amrtatvam Prapyate. Kenapi. Katam bhavati Amrtatvam. Katam Prapyate Amrtatvam. The status of being Amritasya Bhavaha Amrtatvam. The status of being free from death. Jnanadeva. Jnanadeva Kaivalyam. That phrase, that Shruti Vakya is, Bhashikara says, Jnanadeva Amrtatvam Prapyate. Therefore, Jnatva iti. Jnatva Amrtaha Bhavanti. Jnatva iti Padasya Adhyaharaha Kartavyaha. To be supplied the word Adhyaharaha. Okay. Then, Jnatva, what is the next word in the Shruti? Atimuchya. That Bhashikara says. Jnatva
ज्ञात्वा
Atimuchya iti samarthyat.
अतिमुच्य इति
अतिमुच्य इति
सामर्थ्यात्
सामर्थ्यात्
Shrotradi Karanakalapam.
श्रोत्रादिकरणकलापम्
श्रोत्रादिकरणकलापम्
Ujjitva.
उज्जित्वा
उज्झित्वा.
So, Jnatva Atimuchya iti samarthyat. So, Jnatva to be supplied, Adhyaharaha Kartavyaha. Jnatva, having known that Brahma, Atma, Brahmatma, Atimuchya. Atimuchya. Mushdatu, Lepratya, and Ati. Upasarga, therefore Lepratya. Muktva, Ati, Lep, Ati, therefore Lep, Atimuchya. Atimuchya, Dhiraha, Amrtaha Bhavanti. What is the meaning of Atimuchya? Much means to release to. Here, Atimuchya, having given up. Having given up. Mushdatu, having given up. Having given up what? Having given up what? So giving up means the giving up involves some karma, object. Because dhatu, mushdatu being a dhatu, which is sakarmaka dhatu. Therefore, having given up. Having given up what? Having given up. That's why it says ujjitva. Ujjitva means giving up. Having given up what? That is Shrotradi Karana Kalapa Ujjitva. Having given up the Abhimana with this Shrotradi Karana Kalapam. Kalapam is Samuha, a group. The group of what? Karana, organs. Organs, what organs? Shrotradi, Indriyani. Indriyani Kalapam Ujjitva. Ujjitva giving up. Because with Indriya or Indriya we have Abhimana. Therefore, giving up the Abhimana with the Shrotradi Karana Kalapam, Jnatva Atimuchya iti samarthyat. Atimuchya means giving up. Bhashikara says Atimuchya iti, the word Atimuchya, Jnatva, knowing only they can give up, because others only give up. Giving up is not physically giving up. You cannot give up the sense organs. I will give up light. You cannot give up. Only through knowledge it is given up. You understand it is mithya, it is anatma, na atma. Therefore, you give up. Giving up through jnanam. Jnanena eva karma. Jnana karma sannyasa, as in the Gita, Bhagavan says. Similarly here, jnanam. So, giving up is through knowledge. And atimuchya is giving up, for which the object of knowledge is the Shrotradi Karana Kalapaha, that is Abhimana with the Shrotradi Karana Kalapaha, Tam Ujjitva, having given up. How do you give up? By knowledge only, therefore Jnatva. Therefore, Jnatva Atimuchya iti Samartyat. Therefore, Atimuchya Samartyat. Samartya means here the context you have to see. Atimuchya Dhiraha means how Atimuchya, how does he give up? Knowing he gives up. Knowing Atma, he gives up Anatma. That is a Samarthya, the context presence. Therefore, Shotradikarana Kalapam Ujjitva, giving up. Giving up that which is not Atma. Anatmatyagaha. Anatmatyaha means Abhimana with Anatmatyaha. Not Anatma, you cannot give up. Because you can, it is not you, what can you give up? Abhimana. So Abhimanatyaha. Ujjitva, giving up. So Jnatva Atimuchya iti Samartyat. Atimuchya iti Atimuchya, because Atimuchya, the word is there, therefore by the Samarthya, by the strength of the word Atimuchya, that is the hetu. So therefore, by the expression Samarthya, that decides the Samarthya, that decides the context, that should be the object of giving up. What is the object of giving up? This Shotradi Karana Kalapam. Therefore, Tam Uchitva. How do you give up? One cannot give up one's Karana like that. Body, one cannot give up. You can give up the Abhimana with the body. The body, the mind, sense organs, all these have got its functions, it have got respective functions, it will do. But over that we have Abhimana, that alone is given up by Jnana. So Jnata, the word is supplied, and therefore Atimuchya, having given up, Shotra, having given up in Abhimana with the Indriya, therefore Shotrasya, in the mantra, Shashti Bhakti, the words are the Shotrasya, Pranasya, all these are Anatma. That Anatma functions. Anatma is because of what? That is known. Therefore, Atma Bhava with regard to Anatma is given up. That is the meaning. Okay. Next. Shrotrado hi.
Shrotrādau
Shrotrādau
Atma Bhavam Kritva.
Atmabhavam
Atmabhavam Kritva
Tadupadis San.
Vadissan
Tadatmana Jayate Mriyate Samsarati Cha.
Tadatmana Jayate
Mriyate Samsarati
Samsarati cha
Ataha Shrotradehe.
Ataha
Shrotradehe
Shrotradi Lakshanam Brahma Atma iti.
Shrotradi
Shrotradi
Lakshanam
Lakshanam
Brahma
Brahma
iti
Atma iti
Viditva Atimuchya.
Viditva
Viditva Atimuchya
Viditva can read separately. Atimuchya Shrotradyatma Bhavam Parityajya.
Shrotrādyatmabhavam Parityajya.
Atimuchya is equal to Shrotradyatma Bhavam Parityajya. So Viditva, there we can stop. After that, Atimuchya we can read. Okay. Anyway. Shrotrādau hi Atma Bhavam Krutva. That is Atma Bhava. Atma Bhava is the sense of me, I, in what? In the Shrotradi. Shrotradi is Indriyani. Shrotra, Chakshush, Shrotra Mityadini. Ityadi Shrotradau. Bhagavati Samasa. Tasmin. Shrotram Adi. Ashotram Adini. Ashotram Adi. Yeshamte. Shotradini. Teshu. Tasmin. Atava Tasmin. Pratama Bhakti. Shotradau. Shotradau kimasti Atma Bhava. Atmanaha Bhavam. Atmanaha Bhavam, Atma Bhavam, the sense of me, I notion. Kritva is Swabhavikena Asti, Swabhavena Asti Kritva. It is not something which is practiced and then Abhyasam Kritva Navavati. It is this I notion, this Atma Bhavam is there with regard to the Shotradi. Tad upadi is Tadatmana, because of that Tad upadi. Tad upadi, what is Tad? Tad referring to Shotradi. Shotradi is the upadi. What is upadi? Upadi is upasamipe sitva sviyan gunan anyatra hadadati. That is what upadi is. We have seen that upadi, the word in many places. The sharirani. Shariram is upadi. Indriyani upadi. All these are upadi. Upasamipe stitva. Like the hibiscus flower, when it is placed near the colorless crystal, the crystal appears red. Therefore, the hibiscus is the upadi. Upasamipe stitva, being there. Sviyan gunan anyatra dadati. Its guna, it transfers to the other one, like in the crystal, like the hibiscus flower transfers its color to the crystal, becomes red crystal because of the proximity of the flower. Similarly, here, shariram, the sharira also, atma, because of atma is there, and shariram is there. Therefore, upasamipe, it is close. Samipe stitva. Therefore, there is a transfer of anatma attributes on atma. That's what upadi is. That is upadi. So, therefore, the shrotradi, they are anatma. That anatma bhava is transferred to atma. So, adhyaropa. Then we do apavada. We have to strip atma of anatma. How do we strip it? Cognitively we remove it. Fine. Therefore, shrotradu. Therefore, tadupadi is tat referring to shrotradi. Shrotradi upadihi yasya saha. Tadupadihi. San tadatmana. Again, here tadatma. Tadatmana, tad referring. In tadupadi, tad referring to shrotradi. In tadatmana, tad referring to tadupadi. Therefore, that is tat referring to tadupadi. Tadupadi, shrotradi, upadihi, yasya. Shrotra, tadupadihi, you can take like that. Tadupadi is shrotradihi, eva upadihi. That is karmadarya. San, tadatmana referring to shrotradi, that is tadupadihi, shrotradihi, eva upadihi, shrotradi upadihi. Shrotradi upadihi, atma yasya saha. Shrotradi upadi is atma for whom? That is the one, the person has atma bhava with regard to the upadi. Tadatmana, tadatmya bhavaha, mixing of atma and atma. So there is a mixing of upadi and atma. Tadatmana, tad referring to tadupadi. Upadi is tad referring, again, tadupadi, tad referring to shrotradi. Therefore, the indriya karana kalapaha, over that, there is atma bhava. Therefore, tadatmana, abhimana with that. Therefore, Manushyaha jayate, a person is born, mriyate, dies, samsarati, samyaksarati samsare. He travels from one loka to another loka, from here to Sargaloka, Kshine Punya, Martya Loka Mishati, iti, because of abhimana with the upadi. Because of abhimana with the upadi, this is what adhyasa, dharmi adhyasa. Atma is dharmi, but what happens? Anatma is taken to be dharmi, as we saw in Panchadashi. There is a reversal of the role. Dharma becomes dharmi becomes dharma. So over anatma sharira, there is dharmi bhavaha, so dharma dharmi adhyasa. This is adhyasa, dharma dharmi adhyasa. In the Brahma Sutra, Bhashyakara says, atasmin tad buddhihi, anatmani atma buddhihi. That is what here, tadatmana jayate. Tadatmana, tad referring to this upadi, upadayaha, shrotradayaha, eva atma, yasya saha, yasya kasya, atma, which is for atma, shrotradayaha is the atma. श्रोत्रादयः उपादयः आत्मा यस्य सः तेन by that tadatmana by that being identified with that, being one with the upadhi, that is tadatmya bhava. Therefore the person is born. What is the cause for janma? Ajnanam, taking oneself to be a limited person, taking oneself to be confined to the sharira manasangata. Therefore jayate mriyate samsariti cha. Therefore अतः श्रोत्रादि लक्षणं ब्रह्म आत्मा इति विदित्वा ज्ञात्वा. Therefore knowing that what by श्रोत्रादि लक्षणं ब्रह्म, श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं मनसो मनोयति इति, that श्रोत्रादि लक्षणं ब्रह्म which is in the form of श्रोत्रादि लक्षणं, which is in the form of श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं मनसो मनोयति इति उक्तं, तद् ब्रह्म एव आत्मा इति विदित्वा, knowing, viditva, viddhatu, viditva, having known, then atimuchya, there will be naturally giving up. This is what jnana tyaga, jnanena tyaga, atimuchya. Therefore shrotradi atmabhavam parityajya, there is, he gives up, having given up completely, parittaha tyajya, therefore parityajya, not justly simply tyaktva, parityajya, having given up completely, what? Shrotradi atmabhavam, shrotradu atmabhavam, shrotradi atmabhavam, atmanah bhavam atmabhavam, shrotradu atmabhavam, the notion of I, notion of me in the shrotradi, parityajya. Therefore atimuchya is equal to parityajya, jnatva parityajya. So parityajanam is preceded by jnanam. Otherwise what is sannyasa? What is sannyasa? Means knowledge. That's why Bhashyakara, whenever he uses sannyasa, the Bhashya will take it as knowledge. Because jnanena eva, this is sannyasa means knowledge. Jnanena eva karma, this tyaga is possible. Karma tyaga or sharira tyaga. Sharira tyaga is sharira abhimana tyaga. Therefore, atimuchya, the meaning of the word atimuchya is parityajya. What parityajya? Shrotradi bhavam parityajya. Shrotradi lakshanam brahma jnatva shrotradi atma bhavam parityajya. So jnatva, the words applied, and atimuchya, it is there. Therefore knowing that, as the prativachanam of the Guru, therefore shrotradi atma bhavam, with regard to the indriyas, atma bhavam is which is given up, parityajya. Therefore jnatva parityajya. So in the mantra which is in Shashti Bhakti, they are all anatma. Therefore atma bhavam over that is given up. And that which is mentioned in Prathama Vibhakti, that is Vastu, Tam Jnatva, not many Vastu, only one Vastu. It is presented through Anatma. Shrotrasya Shrotram, presented using the same word. That is why such a long discussion. Otherwise, if it is said directly, there will not be Shrotrasya Shrotram. That is the way the Upanishad presents the Tattvam. Therefore, Jnatva, Jnatva atimuchya. Therefore, meaning of the word achimutya is giving up. Ujjitva. Shrotradi karana kalapa ujjitva. Shrotradi atmabhavam parityajya. Ujjitva, giving up. Shrotradi karana kalapam, giving up only through atmabhav, only through knowledge. Therefore, atmabhavam, giving up. So, therefore, knowledge is there. Therefore, given up. Shrotradi atmabhavam parityajya. Parityajanti. Next line. Ye shrotradyatmabhavam parityajanti.
ये श्रोत्राध्यात्मभावं परित्यजन्ति
Te dhiraha dhimantaha.
ते
धीराः धीमन्तः
Nahi vishishta dhimatvam antarena.
न हि
विशिष्टधीमत्वम् अन्तरेण
Shrotradyatmabhavaha shakyah parityaktum.
श्रोत्रादि आत्मभावः
शक्यः परित्यक्तुम्
Shrotradi atmabhavaha parityaktum na shakyah. Vishishtaha dhimantreena. Ye, now, first line. Ye, those. Dhiraha, the word is there. Shrotradi Atma Bhavam ye parityajanti. Those who give up the Atma Bhava, the sense of I, the notion, it's notion, it's not really, it is notion. With regard to Shrotradi, ears, etc., who gives up, they are parityajanti, paritaha, giving up completely. Those who can give up. Te dhiraha, they are intelligent people, they are vivekinaha, because they are able to discern Atma Anatma. Nityanitya Vastu Vivekaha Asti, Dhimantaha, they are endowed with Buddhi, Viveka, knowledge. Therefore, Vishishta Dhimatvam, Nahi Vishishta Dhimatvam Antarena means Vina, without. Dhimatvam is Dhimataha Bhavaha Dhimatvam, the status of being intelligent. So, therefore, Vishishta is, which is particular, which is special. What is special? Here it is, the knowledge of Atma. Therefore, Vishishta Dhimatvam. Vina, without that, Shrotradi Atma Bhavaha Parityaktum na. It's not possible. Shakya na Shakyaha. It's not possible to give up the Abhimana of Shrotradi. Abhimana with regard to Shrotradi is not possible. Without Dhimatvam, without this special knowledge. Vishishta Dhimatvam Antarena Vina. Shrotradi Atma Bhava Parityajanam Bhavati va Katum Shakyate va na Shakyate na Bhavati. Without knowledge, it is not possible to give up. How do you give up? So you cannot give up. So therefore, Dhiraha, Vivekinaha, who is able to discern its one's Swarupa, its Atma Swarupa. So therefore, for him, it's possible to know by giving up. Possible to know Atma, therefore giving up is possible. Atma, he knows, therefore he gives up. So knowing, he gives up. It's not giving up and knowing. Giving up and knowing maybe for a sadhaka, because the end is known, therefore he adopts a means as to the end. So the end is knowledge. Like what Arjuna asked in the Gita, Sataprajna Seka Bhasha. How does Sataprajna acts? How does it behave? So giving up is not for the sake of giving. Giving up ultimately to know. You know, and therefore naturally there is giving up. So that is why sannyasa also, they give up to know it. Actually, it is knowing and giving up. If knowing and giving up, it's vidvat sannyasa. Wanting to know, therefore you give up. Then that becomes vividesha sannyasa. There also some knowledge is there. So therefore only there is a tendency, that is a icha even to give up. In fact, that is what the two types of sannyasa. Vidvat sannyasa, jnani, he knows. Therefore there is giving up. He need not take sannyasa also, but he takes vidvat sannyasa. Whereas vividesha sannyasi wants to know, therefore he gives up. Because giving up there, it is for having more time, more dedication. If the person will have enough time for himself, because he is free from social bonds, free from commitments, therefore he will have enough time for studying Shastra, therefore he gives up. Therefore it's not giving up for the sake of giving up, it's giving up for the sake of knowledge. And by knowledge, the giving up becomes natural. So therefore, Dhimantaha, Dhimattam Antarena, Atmabhavaha Paritaktam na Shakyaha, not possible. Iti. Next word. Next word is Pretya. Atimuchya, Dhiraha, then Pretya. Pretya, the word is in Gato. Prapurvaka in Gato, Yapratyaya. Pretya. Pretya.
Pretya.
So Pretya, the word has a sense of Gato, in the Gato movement. But here what is the movement? Bhashyakara says, Vyavritya.
Vyavritya.
Asmat Lokhat.
Asmat
Asmat
lokat.
Putra Mitra Kalatra Bandhushu.
Putra Mitra
Putra mitra kalatra bandhushu.
मम अहं भाव संव्यवहार लक्षणात्
मम अहं
मम
भाव
अहं भाव संव्यवहार लक्षणात्
संव्यवहारलक्षणात्
त्यक्त सर्वैषणा भूत्वा इत्यर्थः।
सर्वैषणा
सर्वैषणो
भूत्वा
भूत्वा
इत्यर्थः।
इत्यर्थः।
So Pretya is equal to Vyavritya. Pretya, we know how it is derived. Prapurvaka in Gato, then Lyap. In Dhatu, therefore Rasvaha, Rasvasya, Piti, Kriti, Tukkakama will come. Therefore Pretya, Ita Avagatya, the same way. Tukkakama. Pretya is equal to in Dhatu, Gato. But here the same meaning. Vyavritya, Vashakara is Vyavritya. Pretya we say having, Pretya small, having departed from this loka, having gone from this loka. Having gone means there is a separation. So therefore here Vyavritya. Asmat loka Vyavritya, having withdrawn from this. What? Pretya, loka, Asmat loka. From what? From this loka. From this loka. Asmat lokat. Lokat means they take this loka, bhuloka, or lokyate anubhuyate iti lokaha. Where anubhava is, anubhava implies the knower, the experiencer experienced and the experience, the Tripati Veda. So it is duality. So therefore you can take that also. Loka means lokyate anubhuyate, the sense of duality, Dvaita Bhava. So therefore the world, it could be this world, or it could be the sense of duality, Pretya, Asmat Lokat, Pretya. Putra Mitra Kalatra Bandhushu, Mama Aham Bhava Samvyavahara Lakshanat. So here the Lokat, Ashikara says, what is the Loka here? The Loka is, it is characterized by what? Samvyavahara. Vyavahara is transaction. And the Vyavahara is Samvyavahara, wealth transaction, Samvyavahara, Samyak Vyavaharaha. Karoti. Oh, mama agam bhava, with the bhava, with the notion of mama, mine, and aham, I. With regard to whom? Putra, Mitra, Kalatra, Bandhushu. Not only that, you have to, etc. Adishu, you can say. With regard to son, friend, wife, not wife, spouse. If it is woman, then it is husband. So spouse. Bandhushu and relatives. So with whom we transact in the world, with regard to them, we have the notion, mama tesha, mama te, aham tesham, iti atma bhavaha asti. With whom, with them, there is a transaction. Every day we transact. That is pretya. Pashikara says, having departed from this, having departed from them, because there is atma bhavaha with regard to these people. Like putra nashte aham nashtaha, putra pushte aham pushtaha. There is putra abhimana. So not only to putra, so with regard to other people also. There is atma vibhava. That is sharira abhimana to sharira connected to the relations. Therefore, there is abhimana. Mama te aham teshamiti. Therefore, pretya, having withdrawn from this. Having withdrawn from this. So therefore, Samma Vyavahara Lakshanat, Pretya, Tektaishana Bhutva, Sarva Tektaishana Bhutva, Sarva Tekta Sarveshana, Tekta Sarvesha referring to the person, Lubriki, Tektaha, Tekta Sarveshanaha, Tekta Sarveshana, Tekta Sarveshaha, okay. Tekta Sarveshana, it is Yeshanatrayam, Putreshana, Vitteshana, Lokeshana, iti Yeshanatrayam. So Yeshanatrayam is त्यक्ताः सर्वैषणाः येन सह becomes yes त्यक्त सर्वैषणा not tritiya. It is, you can see, it is त्यक्त सर्वैषणाः भूत्वा. It is for bhutva it is not the karma. Okay, generally tva pratyaya will be used, it will be karma, but here it is subjective complement. त्यक्त सर्वैषणा bhavati bhutva. So त्यक्त सर्वैषणाः or त्यक्त सर्वैषणा, it is better to take त्यक्त सर्वैषणाः. Why? Because त्यक्त सर्वैषण is the compound. त्यक्तः सर्वैषणाः और त्यक्ताः सर्वैषणाः येन सह त्यक्त सर्वैषणः त्यक्त सर्वैषणाः बहुवचनम्. So being free from, being given up, this sarveshana is this yeshanatrayam. Only three yeshanatrayam, three are there. What are they? Putreshana, Vitteshana, Lokeshana. Desire for son, the love for the son, attachment for the son. Vitteshana, with attachment for the vittam, the money, assets, and lokeshana. These three alone binds a person. Therefore त्यक्ता सर्वेषणाः भूत्वा, having given up, bhutva, that these desires are given up, all the desires, the binding desires, they are given up. So bhutva, so having become one, giving up all these desires, that is the meaning. Ityartha, that is the meaning. That is the meaning of pretya. So meaning of the word pretya is what is Bhashyakara says. Asmat lokat pretyam is, what is the asmat lokat? Bhashyakara connects with Brihadaranyaka. There it is talked about this Yeshanatrayam, Putreshana, Vitteshana, Lokeshana. This Yeshanatrayam, from this is a loka from which he departs, he moves away, he withdraws, Vyavritya. That is why Bhashyakara uses the word Vyavritya. Having given up the meaning of the word Pretya to Vyavritya, and he explains the loka to be this world, the world of these people with whom you have Vyavahara, transactions. And you have Yeshana, love for them, Yeshanatrayam, this love for these three. Therefore, Yeshana, therefore, Tyakta Sarveshanaha Bhavanti, becomes free from the bondages. Become free from these three types of bondages. Even though three is not mentioned, Sarva referring to that only the three. There is no other Yeshana. There is no other Yeshana. Therefore, this is Yeshana Trayam. So Sarveshana referring to this Yeshana one. There are three types of Yeshana. Yeshana, the word is there from Ishda to Ishu, Ichayam, Ichati, Icha. So therefore, three types of Icha Trayam, three types of Icha. Icha for son, Icha for Vitta, Icha for Loka. Every action, if you see, it will be connected to either of the three. So that alone binds a person. Therefore, Pretya, therefore withdrawn, having moved away, having desisted from this. Ityartha, that is the meaning. And as I said, you can note, Tyakta Sarveshanaha Bhutva Ityartha. Because Dhiraha is the mantra. Dhiraha Pretya. So Dhiraha Bhagavachanam. So Dhiraha Tyakta Sarveshanaha Bhutva. Dhiraha Pretya Asmat Lokat Pretya, meaning Tyakta Sarveshanaha Bhutva Ityartha. That is how we have to connect. Dhiraha Divantaha Pretya. Pretya is Asmat Loka. The word is that Asmat Lokat is Tyakta Sarveshanaha Bhutva. Pretya Asmat Lokat Pretya is equal to Tyakta Sarveshanaha Bhutva Ityartha. For whom this Dhiraha. So therefore, Dhiraha Tyakta Sarveshanaha Bhavanti Ityartha. That is the meaning. Then the next line. Amritaha Amarana Dharmanaha Bhavanti
अमरणधर्माणः भवन्ति
न कर्मणा न प्रजया धनेन त्यागे. There is no swara here. न कर्मणा न प्रजया धनेन
न
कर्मणा
कर्मणा न
प्रजया
प्रजया
धनेन
धनेन
त्यागे नैके अमृतत्वमानशुः.
त्यागेनैके अमृतत्वमानशुः
पराञ्चिकानि व्यतृणत् स्वयंभूः.
पराञ्चिकानि व्यतृणत्
स्वयंभूः
स्वयंभूः
This line must be famous. Kathopanishad. Tasmat parang pashyati nantaraatman.
तस्मात्
तस्मात् परां
परां
पश्यति
पश्यति
नान्तरात्मन्
नान्तरात्मन्
Kaschiddirah
कश्चिद्धीरः धीरः
प्रत्यगात्मानम् ऐक्षत.
प्रत्येगात्मानं
प्रत्यगात्मानम्
ऐक्षत्
आवृतचक्षुः
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 अमृतत्वमिच्छन्.
अमृतत्वम्
अमृतत्वम्
इच्छन्
इच्छन्
यदा सर्वे प्रमुच्यन्ते
यथा सर्वे
सर्वे
प्रमुच्यन्ते
कामायेस्य हृदिश्रिताः
कामायेस्य हृदि
हृदिश्रिताः
अत्र ब्रह्म समश्नुते.
अत्र
ब्रह्म
ब्रह्म
समश्नुते
समश्नुते
इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः.
इत्यादि
इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः
So amritaha is amarana dharmanaha bhavanti. Amritaha dharmanaha amarana dharmanaha. So amarana dharmanaha. Amritaha is the palashruti, palam, the resultant of knowing, having known Brahma. The Brahma is Atma. Therefore, it becomes free from all the desires. Tekteshanaha, tekta sarveshanaha bhavanti. Tena kim bhavanti? Amarana dharmanaha bhavanti. Dharmanaha. Like dharman, it is amaranaha dharma yesham. Say Bhagurik Samasa. Dharmanaha. Dharma, the word is there. Then, like Atman, it is Nakaranta here. Dharma, Dharmano, Dharmanaha. Take like that. So, Amarana Dharmana, Dharma, Dharmano, Dharmanaha. Nakaranta Shabda. Like Atma, Atmano, Atmanaha. So, Amarana Dharmaha also you can say, but Amarana Dharmanaha Bhashikara says. So, Dharma, Dharmanaha Bhagavachanam. So, Amarana Dharma, Amaranaha Dharma Yeshamte. So, in the compound, the Vikravakyya Dharma is like Atma, Pratama Vyakti Ekavachanam. Amaranaha is also Na Maranaha, Maranaha. Or Maranam na Vidyate Yasya. Bhagavati, that also can be taken. Bhagavati. Maranam na Vidyate Yasya. Saha Amaranaha. So, Amarana is the Dharma of whom? That is Amarana Dharmanaha, Amarana Dharma, or Amarana Dharmanaha Bhagavachanam, Amritaha iti. They become free from death. Therefore, there is no samsara for them. So, why we say always death, Mritaha? Because death means there is, again he comes back, because karma is the Papa Punya. So, he has to come back, Punarjanma, again karma. So, that is, therefore, it is, death is not there means birth is also not there. Birth is not there means karma is not there. Papa Punya, therefore, Sanchita karma, not there. All accounts are exhausted, completely destroyed. So, by saying no maranam, it implies there is no samsara. So, therefore, it's upalakshana. That's why we say amritaha iti. There is no more, there is no death for him. Not that he becomes in this kaya kalpa with the shariram he lives. That is not the meaning. The word is used as an upalakshana to indicate that there is no samsara for him. Abrahma Bhavana Loka Punaravarti Arjuna. But this person doesn't come. That's no samsara. Even if it suppose it is there, supposing only. There is no samsara. Nothing can affect him. That is the idea. Amarana Dharma Bhavanti. And Bhashikara quotes na karmana na prajaya na dhanena. So dhanena means na dhanena. Dhanena na is not there. Therefore, by dhanena, by wealth, one become not like that. Na dhanena should be supplied. Not by karma, not by praja, that is prajani, not by dhanam, only by tyaga. Tyaga means it is tyagena, jnana, jnana karma tyaga, jnanena tyaga. Therefore, tyaga means knowledge. Renunciation, sannyasa. Sannyasa means jnana. Tyagena eva amrtatvam anashuhu. Anashuhu is remote past, it is. Litlakara chandasi prayoga here. Anashuhu. Anashire, it should be. But Veda can use Anashire, Chandasi. Litlakara, Pratama Purusha Bhagavashanam. Anashire. Anashuhu. Iti. People have attained immortality. It means people now also will attain. Only by Tyaga, immortality is possible. That is a meaning. Then, and this mantra, you will see, it is chanted when sannyasi is, invited with Purna Kumbha. This mantra is chanted. Only for a sannyasi, this line must be chanted. This is in Mahanarayana Upanishad. The swara it is there, and this same mantra is there in other Upanishad also. Na karmana na prajaya. But in Mahanarayana Upanishad, the swara it is there. Na karmana na prajaya dhare na tyage naike amrtattama nashahu pare nakam nigitam dughaya vibrajade yatayo vishanti vedanta vijnana sunischitartaha sannyasa yoga yataya shuddha sattvaha te brahmaloke tu iti. Sannyasi is invited with Purna Kumbha chanting this mantra. But unfortunately, even the teacher is a teacher, Vedanta teacher I have seen, not a sannyasi, it's a grasta, but he is invited chanting this mantra by some people. Not knowing this mantra should not be chanted. Unless a person has taken sannyasa, this mantra, the person should not be invited with this mantra. I've seen in some Facebook. Anyway, I didn't reply, I didn't say anything, but such things are that's wrong practice. And unfortunately, we have also come in this our tradition only, Ashavidya tradition, through some teacher. So this mantra should be chanted only for. If it's Grasta teacher is there, then can be chanted some other mantra, not this mantra. Fine. Anyway, then Paranchikani Vetrunat, we know that Paranchikani, that Anchadatu, Paranchi, Napumsakalinga. Kani means Indriyani. Vetrunat, the Indriya which are extrovert, destroyed. By whom? By the Lord. Swayambhuhu Swayambhavati Ishvara. Therefore, Parang Pashyati Nantaratman for the Aviveki, those who are extrovert, always is outside. Because the Indriyas are outward, extrovert. But there is one Dhiraha, Kaschid Dhiraha, Pratyekatvanam Aikshat, Ichchati, Langlakara, Aikshat, having desire. The desires Pratyekatmanam. Therefore, Avrta Chakshahu, having withdrawn is eyes. Eyes means it stands for Indriya. Pratyekatmanam Amrtatvam Ichchana. Pratyekatmanam Aikshat. Avrta Chakshahu Amrtatvam Icchan. Therefore, he takes up this path of knowledge, deciding immortality. Amrtatvam Icchan. Iti. Full mantra is not quoted. That it is Amrtatvam Icchan. Actually, full mantra is quoted. Then the mantra, next one is from Yada Sarve, from the Kathoparishad, only that which are required alone is quoted. Yada Sarve Pramuchyante, ye asya hridishritaha. When all the kamas leave the person are given up, Pramuchyante. Hridishritaha, ye asya hridi buddha shritaha. When all the kamas, all the desires are given up, how do you give up? Your desires kama, these kamas are Kama only for Anatma, not for Atma. The person is Atma Kamaha. Therefore, Anatma Kamas are given up. Atra Brahma Samashnote, having given up, then he gains Brahma. Brahma means he knows Brahma. When kamas are gone, and he is a dhiraha mumukshuhu, therefore he knows Brahma. Then the person becomes Brahma samashtute. He gains Brahma, he attains Brahma, he becomes immortal. Ityadi Shrutibhyaha. So therefore, in all the Shruti, we can see there is sannyasa. Sannyasa of what? Sannyasa of the desires. Desires, they are given up. They are given up. Having Viveka, analyzing, giving up, by that moksha is attained by the people. Brahma samashtute, parang antaratmanam ichan, therefore Brahma, therefore amritatvam ichan, avartatakshuhu amritatvam ichan, therefore he ventures into the study of Shastram and gains jnanam and becomes free. And similarly, yada sarve kamaha pramuchante brahma samushtate tadvat tyagena eva jnanena eva sannyasam sannyas jagena sannyasena jnana sannyasena jnana karma sannyasena amritatvam prapnuvanti iti Shrutihi. Shrutibhyaha, by Shrutis also, other Shruti also. Therefore, Bhashakara says it is very well incompatible with other Shruti. Therefore, Amrita Dharmaha Bhavanti, they become free from samsara by knowing, Tiraha, having known, therefore having given up, they become free. Iti. Bhashya is, up to this it's over. And one more line is that, I think only one line. That also we can do, only one line. I'll take just 5 minutes, we'll complete that also. You have time? Do that, only one line. Okay. With this mantra will be over. Atava Shyam
Atimuchya
iti anena eva
iti anena
eva
yeshana tyagasya siddhatvat
yeshana
tyagasya siddhatvat
asma lokat pretya
asmat
asman
lokatya
lokat pretya
asmat sharirat upetya
asmat
asmat
sharirat
sharirat apetya
mritva ityartah.
mritva ityartah.
Or atimuchya, the word is there. Atimuchya. Ashikara gives an alternate meaning. By the word atimuchya, by that word, yeshana tyagasya siddhatvat. Atimuchya, yeshana tyagasya siddhatvat. There is siddha, there is achievement of this tyaga of the yeshana traya. Therefore, asmat lokat pretya. Having departed from this loka, asmat lokat pretya. Apetya. Asma sharirat apetya. Loka is sharira, because through sharira only there is anubhava. Lokete anubhuyate iti lokaha. So therefore that loka, sharira is a loka through which you experience. Anena iti, it's karana vitpatti. Lokete anubhuyate anena iti. If you take lokete anubhuyate iti lokaha karmani vitpatti. Lokete anubhuyate anena, then karmani vidbhati, therefore Bhashakara says sharira. Sharirat apetya, having departed from this body, means mritva. So the meaning of the word atimuchya, having departed from this shariram, becomes yashana tyagasya siddhatvat, because he's already achieved the tyaga, the giving up of this yashana traya. Therefore, atimuchya, having given up the shariram, mritva ityartha. Mritva. Atmasmat lokat pretya mritva, having atman lokat pretya is mritva, having died. Having means the death is only for the sharira. Having died. Mritva asmat lokat pretya. So therefore, having given up the sharira, they become what? They become videka muktaha bhavanti. So atimuchya yashana tyagasya siddhatvat अस्मात् लोकात् प्रेत्य अस्मात् शरीरात् प्रेत्य मृत्वा पुनः न आगच्छति, पुनर्जन्म न प्राप्नुवन्ति. They attain videha mukti. So that meaning also possible. This is second meaning, alternate meaning. Having atimuchya, having completely given up. Having completely given up, therefore there is giving up of all the desires. Therefore while living is free, jivan muktaha. Now pretya, asmat lokat pretya. the Loka taking that to be the Sharira, the body. So having departed from that body, having died, Mritva, then what happens? It becomes Amrana Dharmaha, Amritaha Bhavanti. There is no more coming back, therefore, Amritaha Bhavanti, it becomes free, Videha Muktaha Bhavanti, Ityartaha. That is the meaning. So that meaning also can be taken. So both the meanings. Atava iti. Atimuchya Asmalokat Pretya. Having given up Tyagasya Siddhatvat, Eshana Tyagasya Siddhatvat, that is Atimuchya. Therefore, Pretya from the Sharira is gone. Mritva. Punaha Janma na prapnuvanti. Kimapi Janma na prapnuvanti. There is no coming back for him. This mantra is over. Next mantra we'll see next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್ಜಿ.
Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಜ್ಜಿ.